a group of 12 friends, each friend gives $5 to charity. How much money does the group give in total? So we have 12, each gives $5. 12 times 5 is a calculation, that would be 60. C. In the diagram, what fraction of the area of the regular hexagon is shaded? Well, we have 6 parts, 6 equal parts, and only one of the equal parts is shaded. So the fraction is 1 out of 6, and therefore the number 2 would be E. The graph shows the number of apples that each of 5 students ate during a week. Which student ate the greatest number of apples? Okay, well, look at the graph. Which student has? Dave ate 6, Day, not Dave. 6, Joe 3, Etta is 5, I believe. Susie is 4, and Vin is 1. So obviously the person who ate the most is Day, who ate 6, and therefore the answer is A. The equal arm scale shown is balanced. One square has the same mass as, okay, so 2 squares have the same mass as 4 circles. So if you divide both sides by 2, you get 1 square, which would be 2 circles. So 2 circles is right here, and that would be B for number 4. Which of the following is equal to the area of a square with side length 8? So here's a square, and we have 8 and 8. So the area is 8 times 8. And of the answer choices, that would be C, I believe. In the diagram, angle PQR is a straight angle, the value of x is. So 130 plus x would be 180. And therefore x is 50. And number 6 would be C. The list of 7 numbers has exactly one mode, which is 8. What is the value of n? Okay, so the mode is the number that appears the most often. And right now, the number that appears the most often, it looks like there's a tie between 8 and 9. But then you have this n in there, and they're saying that n is 8. Okay, so if that's 8, then the mode becomes 8, which is what they told me. So I think that's all there is to this question. I'm not sure if there's anything else, so that's just C. D, sorry. N is equal to 8. Sam has only one measuring container. The volume of this container is half a cup. A recipe needs 2.5 cups of flour. How many times does Sam fill his half-cup container to accurately measure the flour for this recipe? Okay, so we have 2.5 cups, right? And then the container is half a cup. So that's basically the math. 2.5 divided by 0.5 is 5. 5 of these containers, which would be letter E, 8E for this question. The month of June has 30 days. If a certain year, June 1st is Tuesday, what day of the week is June 30th? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You make a little mini calendar, right? I'm not going to fill in all the days, but you guys get the point. So 22, 23, 29, 30. So they're saying the first is a Tuesday, this guy right here. So the second would be a Wednesday, and then every 7 days after that, it would be a Wednesday. So these are all Wednesdays right here. And therefore the 30th is also a Wednesday, and therefore number 9 is C. The words pug for sale are written on a store window. How many of these 10 letters look the same when viewed from both sides of the window? Okay, so I've got to draw these letters backward. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so we got the P, the G, the F, O, R is like this, S would be like that, A, L would be like this, and then E. Okay, so let's see how many of these look the same. The U looks the same, the O, and the A. I think those are the only ones. So therefore, 3 of those letters are the same in way how they look, and therefore number 10 is A.